Hey, welcome to yet another episode on the build of the repo. It's been quite a while. Life happened. And again, I was mostly waiting for my dear colleague to show me how to continue, which still hasn't happened, by the way. So, yeah. Just came here since I have vacation this week. And today was kind of the only day where I was able to do something. So it's Thursday. Maybe someone will still appear, maybe not. I have no idea. Nevertheless, I decided that I just want to continue one way or the other. Might not be as perfect as it would be if I would have instructions from my colleague, but again, I'm not gonna care about that and too much right now. And I'll just try to do the best to my knowledge, or to my not available knowledge rather, and see how far we can get. So today my plan was to get started on this side panel here, basically this element here. Here I mostly do not know how to create this double thingy. So it goes up here, it's a round corner, so probably I can't do this, I assume so at least. So I will just make it square, that should still work. And honestly I don't know if this double thingy is required. I have no idea. Again, I will just freestyle something together, because ultimately it's just strengthening, and it's not a car that is known on the Swiss roads, so I do assume at this stage that it won't matter too much if it's not super perfect, straight or rounded as here. Yeah, so again, I will see how I do it. I have not really an idea right now. Nevertheless, again, I'll try to fab something up. That's what I will take you with me. Just a quick word or a quick update in general. I think the last video I ended saying that I'll go to a racetrack. It did happen. I was there, but very unfortunately, the operator or the company that was doing the track day, they did not allow us to film, or they were allowing us to film just for personal use, but due to various reasons they didn't want us to put it on any YouTube, Insta, Facebook, whatever. So I can't really. I might upload at some point a little bit of a random collection of shots that didn't make it into any video, where I'll put in at least the way there and the way back, because I mean it was a lot of traffic, jam as well. It took quite a while to get there, but it's a scenic route, so you will, for those of you that don't know the Swiss scenery, you might get to see a bit on the outside of the highway how the scenery looks like. It's beautiful after all. So that might be an interesting aspect. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. Then I will just cut it together and upload it as well as a separate video. Other than that, I'll just do it at some random moment as a best of, or I don't know, whenever I feel like doing something random for once. So big apologies for that. Again, I did not know up front that we are not allowed to film. That's why I did not upload that video, and basically the next video you will see is this one, where I'm trying to go back at the repo and continue fabbing up the metal parts. As you can see also on the Evo of my dear friend, absolutely nothing happened. The parts, I don't know if you can see it on the video, they're still over there, new but untouched, not made anything with it. I don't know when he will continue, honestly. Too busy with camping, I guess. As you can see, there's shitloads of stoves and coolers and I don't know what crap. Doesn't matter. Again, let's get cranking, let's see what we can do, and I'll take you with me. Hey y'all, welcome back. Sorry, this video is going to be super messy because everything was changed kind of. Yeah, so my friend was just here. We just quickly discussed the next steps, and now at least I have clarity. So for my side, just a bit of a plan right now. I am going to create this, I call it a Z. It's like this shape here, up here, to get rid of all these rust holes. Then I will attempt to build this thing in here, at least with this curvature. This one will be last. And next will then be, I will try to fix, I don't know if you can see it on video, it's a bit dark. I try to fix that part there. As you can see, there's some stuff missing. Might be some intercooler piping, whatever went through there. But on this side, it's complete. So I want to rebuild this part here. I mean, this one is super easy anyway, but I want to rebuild this part as well over there. So those are going to be the next couple things I am going to do. For today, I mean, it's already like 8 o'clock. Yeah, 7:30. I haven't had any dinner yet, so I will now commence on doing the Z, or Z as we call it in Europe. Get that done. Probably call it a day. And most likely I'm back tomorrow. It's probably by the time the video goes online, because I will need to pick up some more sheet metal. We realized this one is not wide enough for the upper cowl or whatever this part is called, so it needs to be wider. Unfortunate, but I mean, we can still use the metal, that's not a problem. So I might need to go and pick up a new plate, 3 by 150 meters. For that part. Then again, that's the plan. I will only know tomorrow morning if they have it on stock. Otherwise, because my vacation is ending this week, I might need to ask a friend to pick it up for me. We'll get it done somehow. One small thing, my friend also explained to me how the Echolt thingy works, and here you can see some testing we did. So it's basically stretching or pulling the sheet metal together. So you see this grayish area, that's the small teeth that are here in between, that either pull it together or spread it apart. And he basically just gave me some examples. So here he was stretching it. Here he was stretching it. Here he was pulling it together. But since it's so wide, that takes forever. He also showed me how it was done manually. So here you can see where he used pliers to pull it. So you see there's a little bit of a curvature. But then again, you would need to hammer it flat again and do it over and over and over again. And here he did one example. You can see how nicely the curvature is, where he showed me how it works. I then did this one over here just as a test to figure out how that works. So yeah, I'm all set. Which again, it means I will be able to do the wheelhouse cover. I should be able to just make it a flat part for now with this angle, and then use this angle to create this curvature. Then at the last corner, like the wheel surrounding part, we'll then need to see, he said something about a beanbag or a sandbag or something like that to create it. Again, that we will figure out. For now, I will go ahead and prepare the Z or Z, and yeah, we'll take it from there and you'll tag along. All right, let's go. Alrighty. So let's draw this up. I'm not drawing the line completely because this thing is straight. So I just make sure that I have my 1.5 mil. Standing up at the very top. It looks good. Looks good. Bend it like this. That works, yeah. All right, let's get the first bend. Very nice. That's the very top. It's not quite as far bent as I would want to. Oh, it's almost 90 degrees except for here. Should be all right. And then we'll need 2.5 centimeters on the back. That would go right here. And there we go. We have our Z. Yep. Let's go and have a look if it fits. The curvature will not fit yet, but the distance and everything fitting. Let's go. Alright, that doesn't look half bad. It's not perfect yet. Still needs a bit of work, but look at it. And if you look at it from the side, I mean that looks... I mean there's still here I have some wrong angle, like I have there as well. I need to see how I get rid of these. It seems a bit like tilted like this a little bit. I guess that is due to the stretching and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I have roughly the shape. It goes in that direction. Now obviously on the top you can still see that this one is still bent wrong, and here I have a bit of a gap because it's not 100% perfect yet, but I'm getting there. I'm getting the hang of it. Yeah, but I'm going to call it a day here. I'm hungry and tired, so let's see. I might be back tomorrow and continue on this, and then start on the front headlamp mounting thingy. Well, I'll have a look. Right. In this case, I wish you all a very nice evening, a good day, good Friday. Have a nice weekend in case I'm not uploading any other video before the weekend. I do plan to do so, but it depends a little bit on tomorrow if I get the metal, if I need to pick up the metal sheet, the new one or not. And again, I'll potentially continue tomorrow. Might be back on Sunday, otherwise we will see, and you will see it obviously as well. Yeah, if you have any tips or any comments, please put them below. I'm happy to receive any feedback because I am a noob. I have no freaking idea. I roughly have an idea what I'm doing, but I have no idea if it's right or wrong, just based on the input I got from my colleague. So again, please add any comments if you have any suggestions, any help, any advice. Much appreciated. And otherwise, would be happy to if you leave a subscription or a follow. Always appreciate it. And that keeps me motivated as well, obviously. And until then, I wish you all a very nice evening, a nice weekend once more, and hope to see you guys soon again. Take care, everyone. I'm out. Bye-bye.